The Vive Health Transfer Belt with handles has a slip-resistant buckle with locking teeth to ensure the belt will remain snug while in use. Designed with a 4-inch width and can easily adjust to fit a waist circumference up to 51 inches. Simply insert the strap into the buckle through the end with teeth. Then slide the strap through the hole opposite the teeth to secure in place. Wrap each leg strap around the corresponding leg, buckle, and tighten to achieve a secure fit. When putting the belt onto a patient, be sure the belt is secure, but still comfortable. Then wrap each leg strap around the corresponding leg, buckle, and tighten to achieve a secure fit. Have the patient place their arms onto your shoulders. Then, using the handle, guide the patient up. The handles on the back may be used to help support the patient during physical therapy or to simply help guide.